Take a look at this. Ripple wins major court victory. According to reports, Ripple's court victory has reignited interest in XRP, which has resulted in an increase in trading volumes and a brief price spike. The new classification of XRP as an asset that is not considered a security and its relisting on major exchanges in the United States have both been significant contributors to this rebirth. Nevertheless, the considerable amount of XRP that Ripple possesses, in addition to the ongoing legal procedures, continue to have an impact on the oscillations in its price. The victory that Ripple achieved in court has an effect that reaches beyond the company itself and has an effect on the cryptocurrency market as a whole. The precedent that it establishes for the classification and regulation of digital assets in the United States has the potential to influence the regulatory frameworks that will be formed in the future. This verdict has the potential to reduce the regulatory risks that are associated with investments in digital assets, which could result in an increase in the number of institutional investors who participate in the cryptocurrency market. Additionally, the growing acceptability of cryptocurrencies in conventional finance is highlighted by rising demand for XRP. It has become increasingly apparent that digital assets have gained legitimacy as possible investment possibilities as more exchanges take the initiative to relist XRP and as trading volumes continue to increase. It is quite probable that this pattern will continue to exist as regulatory clarity continues to improve and as more supporting frameworks for the adoption of cryptocurrencies are formed. Because of Ripple's recent court triumph, interest in XRP has been rekindled, which has resulted in a huge increase in trading volumes and market demand. A significant amount of legal clarity has been supplied as a result of the conclusion that XRP is not a security. This has resulted in investors and traders returning to the market. Coinbase and Gemini, two of the most prominent cryptocurrency exchanges, have played a significant role in this recovery by making XRP available to a substantially larger audience. Ripple's partial legal triumph is an important milestone for the company as well as the broader digital currencies community. In essence, this victory constitutes a significant milestone. In spite of the ongoing difficulties, the good developments that have occurred in relation to XRP indicate that Ripple and its digital currency have a bright future ahead of. Ripple is in a strong position to succeed in the ever-changing cryptocurrency market as the demand for digital assets grows to increase and regulatory clarity continues to improve. In the previous year, Ripple Labs was able to achieve a significant milestone by obtaining a favorable court verdict. The court came to the conclusion that XRP should not be considered a security while it is present on exchanges for trading purposes. There was a significant surge in demand for XRP as a result of this judgment, which resulted in the percentage of US platforms in the worldwide XRP trading volume increasing from a meager 2 an amazing 14 and an amazing 14. This is reminiscent of the time before the case was filed. The interest of investors in XRP skyrocketed after this legal verdict was handed down. A number of prominent exchanges in the United States, including Coinbase and Gemini, swiftly relisted the cryptocurrency, which made it possible for traders who had been constrained by the lawsuit to once again participate in the market. Because of its reinstatement, the market for XRP increased by a large amount. In their view, Ripple's classification of XRP as a security by the SEC is both unfounded and detrimental to the cryptocurrency industry because XRP is a digital money, not a security. While the court deliberates on the lawsuit's outcome, it might have far-reaching consequences for Ripple and the regulatory framework governing cryptocurrencies in the US. The complex web of interdependence between regulatory authority oversight and cryptocurrency development is illuminated by the ongoing court proceedings. The Moonbag liquidity plan is the gold standard for meme coin stability in the top cryptocurrency pre-sales on the planet. Creating meme currency without enough liquidity can often lead to steep price drops, which has hurt many investors in the highly unpredictable meme coin market. The game is changing because Moonbag is implementing a strategic liquidity plan to guarantee development and stability, starting with a large initial liquidity provision and continuing with a disciplined repurchase and burn strategy. This practice demonstrates a commitment to maintaining price stability and contributing to the creation of long-term value. When Moonbag first launches, it will add $1 million to the volatility pool as part of its strategic liquidity management, creating a solid foundation for trade and stability. The additional $5 million will be added progressively, one stage after another, after the launch period is over. A further $500,000 will be added to the liquidity pool as a result of each of these 5 stages, strengthening its position even further. This stage plan, when put into action, helps keep the coin environment stable and encouraging, which in turn reduces the chance of unanticipated price fluctuation. Buying back and burning is explained in detail. The buyback and burn strategy is crucial for Moonbag's continued growth. Token buybacks and burns will constitute the sole use of the extra liquidity in the first 3 to 6 months after the cryptocurrency's launch. Using this method achieves 2 main objectives. To begin with, it promotes slow growth and aids in keeping prices stable. As a second point, it promotes higher currency scarcity by reducing the supply through burns. Theoretically, this might lead to a positive feedback loop that boosts the currency's value, scarcity, and its growing significance. Due to their high rate of repurchase and destruction, Moonbag coins are becoming progressively rare. The targeted buybacks increase demand, which in turn increase scarcity, leading to a more advantageous price trajectory, offering investors the chance to profit from both steady pricing and possible value gains might enhance their investment experience overall. An environment conducive to the asset's long-term appreciation is created when supply decreases and demand increases. A long-term plan to inspire trust among investors. The liquidity plan shows that Moonbag is dedicated to transparency and long-term prosperity. A repurchase and burn strategy and strategic liquidity division show how seriously one takes the development of growth and maintenance of price stability. Moonbag will attract investors seeking security and large profits by using this strategy, which ensures it will rank among the world's top cryptocurrency pre-sales. Among the most effective cryptocurrency pre-sales in the world, Moonbag is leading the pack. Finally, Moonbag hopes that investors would have faith in the project's legitimacy and openness caused by its innovative liquidity strategy. Not only is it raising the bar in the most prestigious cryptocurrency pre-sale in the world, but it is also revolutionizing liquidity with its scientific methodology and planned buyback and burn strategy. Here at Moonbag, we want you to be a part of an innovative company that is dedicated to growth, stability, and the happiness of our investors. The final phase of the Moonbag pre-sale showcases an impressive performance and enticing pricing. As we enter stage 7 of the Moonbag pre-sale, we are hearing a lot of excitement because each coin will be sold for a price in just 5 seconds. With an astounding $3 raise so far, it is clear that this cryptocurrency pre-sale is one of the best ones happening globally. A precedent for cryptocurrency law in the future may be set by the outcome of this debate. While this is happening, Moonbag is taking stock of its solvency and investor confidence strategies to figure out what to do next. Moonbag is one of the most profitable cryptocurrency pre-sales in the world because its strategy is committed to stability and growth. It is presently in stage 7, and each coin is priced at merely 5 cents. In order to avoid the usual problems encountered in the meme currency sector, Moonbag employs a repurchase and burn strategy and carefully controls its liquidity infusion. The data that has been provided is not meant to be trading advice, but experts believe that now is a great moment to buy in, either before its introduction or when its popularity starts to skyrocket. You should not put your money into anything that relies on the data presented here. Before making any financial decisions, it is highly recommended that you talk with an expert and conduct your own research.